at the Engineering Your Microbiome Summit, we know that you simply want to be the healthiest version of you. And in order to do that, you need good, reputable information that you can implement into your daily lives about how your microbiome is governing the health and wellness of your body. The problem is finding good, understandable, relatable, down-to-earth information about your microbiome is complicated. You go online and you can't figure out what is truth and what is fiction, which makes you feel like you're lost and unable to take action. My name is Dr. Lindsay Elmore, and I'm the host of the Engineering Your Microbiome Summit. And I believe that finding good information about just how important your microbiome is to your overall health and well-being should not be hard. We understand that finding that information in Google is difficult, which is why I created the Engineering Your Microbiome Summit. Here's what you need to do. Purchase the summit today. Then listen to all of our expert speakers give their unique takes on how the microbiome can be engineered towards health. Then implement the lifestyle changes, the food and dietary changes, the exercise changes, as well as start taking the supplements that are recommended by our speakers. So sign up today, and in the meantime, you can download one of our free handouts so you can stop feeling lost and confused and instead begin to engineer your microbiome for health.